this video, I will be discussing the most important resistance for Bitcoin, and more importantly, I will be discussing what will happen if we either see a breakout above or if we see a significant rejection, just like we saw last time around here. So definitely don't miss out on this video, because I will be discussing this and much more important things on today's update video. And as well, don't forget to slap up that like button. On yesterday's video, we were smashing it up above 500 likes, and can we once again do it on today's update video? So don't forget to slap up that like button, and let's jump straight away in towards the content. And once looking at Bitcoin on the imminent short term, we can currently see Bitcoin, of course, had that massive pump here. However, still, like I told you yesterday as well here, I am currently spotting some momentum loss getting created on the market. We're seeing the price action, of course, still coming up while the RSI is coming down significantly. So we are seeing, yeah, okay, the RSI is losing strength here, and while the RSI is losing strength, the price action is still coming back up towards higher levels, what is indicating that we're creating a bearish divergence. We're seeing the chart showing us still strength. However, the momentum indicators are currently telling us there could be a potential end of this rally on the imminent short term. However, if I'm then going to start looking at the 4-hourly time frame, it does make a lot of sense. But don't worry, because actually I've got something, what I'm currently seeing on the market, what is looking very bullish for Bitcoin. However, I do want to be seeing that small little pullback towards the market, towards approximately 20.8k. Why? Is because currently we can see we're running in towards this important level of resistance of that 21.7k target. And what you can see here, 21.7k was also previously around a very strong level of resistance. However, if we do come down towards the 20.8k, we are going to create a beautiful pattern of an inverse head and shoulders. We're going to form the left shoulder right here. We're going to form the head on the lower side and a potential right shoulder right here. So yes, Bitcoin is going to be looking extremely bullish in my opinion if it does comes down towards 20.8k, and for sure I will be opening new long positions on the 20.8k, just like I also told you yesterday. In case we already do break bullish and we already break above that 21.7k and we go further on towards the upside, I, in this case, missed out on the trade, and I will be then potentially open a trade on the retest of that approximately 21.7k target. So yes, these are two very good trading opportunities in my opinion, what you could definitely be taking on the market right now. And such kind of an inverse head and shoulders is definitely a very strong pattern. And anyways, if we do break above that 21.8k target in general, I do think that Bitcoin is going to be absolutely flying after we already saw that strong bounce on the market right here on the Friday. So make sure to get ready. If we break above the 21.7, 21.8k on the 4-hourly time frame, we're going to be flying. If we come back towards 20.8k, it's going to be a very good long opportunity. Furthermore, if you do want to be opening a trade on it, don't forget to check out Bybit in the link in the description. And also for everyone, the first 500 users that are going to sign up through the highest link in the description right now here and deposit $1,000 will be getting a free $1,000 Ethereum airdrop position. So don't forget to check out Bybit in the link description right now here, because if you do sign up with using this link, you will be eligible for this insane deposit bonus. Deposit $1,000 and get a free $1,000 airdrop position in ETH, either a long or short, whatever you want to be doing. So don't forget to check that out. It's definitely worth it to claim your bonus right now here. Furthermore, looking at Bitcoin on the 12-hour, we can see a very similar structure. We can see a very similar level, the 21.8k as major resistance. And actually, really, if you're going to look at the daily time frame, you can see it even more clear. Yeah, you can clearly see over here, we got rejected by this level not only once, we did not got rejected by this level only twice. No, we got rejected as well over here by this level for like 5 days in a row. And once again, we're currently exactly trading on this level. So it's a key level for Bitcoin to be breaking above. And actually every single time we did got rejected by this level, we moved down towards this approximately, red box of support. So if we do see a significant rejection, we could either once again expect Bitcoin to come down again. But honestly, I do think that Bitcoin is looking very strong here. Also, after seeing this very strong bullish daily candle close with almost no wick on the top side, if we do break above it, I personally think that Bitcoin is going to be looking for the higher levels in this range, what is going to be somewhere around at $25,000. However, there is a very important level of resistance that once again is going to get approached if Bitcoin is going to touch that level, and that's going to be this level right here. I'm going to once again set a line on it. If I go back towards this level again, I do think the 23.8k is once again going to be the next big resistance for Bitcoin, just like it was previously around. So if we do break above the 21.7k, I do expect we're going to be moving up towards 23.8k, what is definitely a beautiful target for Bitcoin. So make sure that you're going to get ready, because yes, this could be a very sharp move once again for Bitcoin. And honestly, I do think the sell pressure is close by running out, and as soon as the sell pressure does run out, Bitcoin tends to be creating these crazy pumps here and these crazy green candles in a row. So don't forget, make sure to get ready, and Bitcoin could start to leave any minute soon. And if I'm looking at the daily super trend, I can currently clearly see that Bitcoin also flipped bullish over here. We're getting a bullish bias signal right now here. Last time this happened, Bitcoin moved up from an approximately, was it 22.4k to an approximately 25.3k here. So yeah, definitely Bitcoin is ready for another significant move. It does look like that. And also, if we're going to zoom out and going to be looking at the 3-day time frame on the super trend indicator, we do know the big resistance for Bitcoin is currently on the top side around the 24,000 US dollars, this red big line right here. Why do I say so? Because last time around in the previous bear market for Bitcoin, the super trend indicator was a very good indicator to tell us when Bitcoin was going to be bottoming out here. And like you can see, as soon as we did broke above that super trend indicator, we moved up significantly and we basically ended the bear market for Bitcoin for good. And currently you can see that the resistance for Bitcoin on the super trend indicator is going to be somewhere around 24.8k, let's say 25,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. So yes, we are extremely close by ending this bear market for good. And if we break above the $25,000, Bitcoin will be flipping bullish. And if that does happen, I will notify everyone on the channel, because that is going to be an insane signal that you do not want to be missing out of. Furthermore, we can see still on the weekly time frame for Bitcoin, we are about to close the weekly candle in just in approximately 17 hours from now on, after this video is live. And yes, if we do break above this level on the weekly time frame, we're literally breaking a 300-day plus downtrend on Bitcoin. And if we do break this downtrend right here, what was getting formed from the previous all-time high, I honestly think Bitcoin is going to start flying. And yeah, I mean, I just can't be bearish on it, because we're currently creating an very typical reversal pattern of a falling wedge. Bitcoin likes to be creating these patterns, and also the significance of these patterns are extremely high. So don't miss out on this interesting pattern right now here, because it will definitely bring in very good trading opportunities if we do break out, because this is going to be an approximately 200% plus trade here. What is going to be amazing trading opportunity you could be taking. Furthermore, last thing I want to be saying, yeah, that weekly time frame, I mean, I just can't complain about how everything is shaping up right now here. We're going to close the weekly candle almost, and if this weekly candle is going to close like this, we are definitely officially confirming a double bottom on the weekly time frame, and that is going to be extremely bullish for Bitcoin. I honestly think the bear market bottom is currently formed after we close the weekly candle somewhere like this. If we're going to have a sudden drop all at the end of the weekend, maybe it's not going to be the bottom, but if it's going to close somewhat like this, I honestly think it's going to be the exact bottom for Bitcoin. And if we do look back at the previous bear market low, it's once again a very similar structure of a higher low on the weekly time frame. So I am definitely ready for the big gains that are going to come. Are you also ready? Let me know in the comment section down below. But that was it for today's update video. If you do like the content, don't forget to like the video, and of course consider subscribing to the channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.